Hey everybody, this is Laurel with the North Raleigh Seed Library, and I just want to say thank you for being a part of this YouTube channel. And please ask everybody that you know to subscribe so we can keep it going. And I have tons to tell you. We have announcements first, and then I have to tell you my tale of woe, and it's a woe. So the first thing is we have dates, and I'm terrible with dates, so I have to say them fast so I don't forget. So the first date is, mark your calendars for June the 3rd. June the 3rd, we're going over to Maggie Savage's house. You got to walk to the backyard to her marvelous greenhouse. If you have not seen her yard yet, you have missed something. I'm telling you, it is a treat. So Maggie is going to host a Coleus cutting event. So the idea came to us from another member, Kathy Sink, and it is phenomenal. If you have ideas, send them this way, because I will do everything in my power to make it happen for you. So what you do is you bring a Coleus cutting and you swap it with friends who've brought their Coleus cuttings. And if you don't have a Coleus, bring a cutting from another plant and that'll be okay. But Coleus is preferred, and we will see what we can do as far as collecting as many as possible. Now, the deal is she doesn't have much parking, so be expecting to walk a little bit. You're going to have to do some on the street parking. And when you get there, don't go to our front door. We're all friends. Walk around to her backyard, yell, "Hey friends," and come swap Coleus with us. Now, that is a floating event, which means it's between 9 and 11. Come anytime, stay for a little bit, head on out. Limited parking. So there you go. Now, the next thing is June the 4th. Okay, June the 4th, we have a luncheon. And it's our monthly supper club, but sort of supper lunch this month. And it's going to be at the Pickled Onion at Lafayette Village at noon. Come and see your gardening friends and talk all things gardening. So it's going to be a lot of fun. Come join us. And then let's see. Oh, we've got a surprise. Well, I'll give you a hint. Flower arranging class at Norwood on the 27th at 10 o'clock in the morning. So I'll give you more details about that soon. Then, let's see, I've got a tragedy to tell you about. Well, a tragedy for me. See these shoes? Well, the thing is, I ran out of shoes. I've only got 4 pair left. And I got desperate because one of the pairs just finally given out. And I don't want to use my plant money for clothes. So I tried to use some swimming shoes. You know those aqua shoes that you go in the pool with? But the problem was they got all these rocks inside of all the holes where the water's supposed to go through. And then I put it in the wash machine, and then it sounded like the whole house was coming down. So I had to do the unthinkable. I had to put aside my plant money to buy shoes. I'm very, very down about it. So anyway, I'm looking forward to the Coleus party. That way I can wear my new shoes, not pay for any plants, and make a good swap and bring something great home till I get over this shoe depression. So anyway, I know you guys face the same problems. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week and hope to see you at the Coleus swap. Thank you, Kathy Sink, for the awesome idea. Thank you, Maggie, for hosting us. Have a wonderful day, you guys.